Guys, there's an alternative to insulating your roof. You could do this inside of the rafters of a house, but we're doing it on a mobile home double wide roof, and we're using it for insulation, not for vapor barrier. Actually, you can use this for vapor barrier. It sticks, has a sticky side, and then the other side sticks to it. It's 4 foot wide. Has an R value, says as much as 10 inches of regular batt insulation on their website. It's not affected by humidity, it says. It is a vapor barrier. It is a Class A fire rating. Reduces or eliminates condensation in metal buildings. So you can use this. What I do, and there's a lot of discussion online with putting metal roofing against shingles and causing it to sweat, and you should have slip sheets. They sell that stuff for a roll about that big, and I think it's like $200. It's just a little bit more than paper, but anyway, I've never used it in 30 years. You can use whatever you want to, but this, and I think that's like $200 a roll, something like that. This covers 750 square feet, and it's $300 a roll. So it gets you 10 inches of insulation underneath your metal roof. It will keep you from touching your shingles if you're worried about it.